Watch my video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Spoken English. Today I am going to talk to you about the verb have. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. No, I don't have a car. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. No, I don't have any siblings. Do you have a pen? Yes, I have a pen. No, I don't have a pen. Have you ever visited Dhaka? Yes, I have visited Dhaka. No, I haven't visited Dhaka. Have you had breakfast? Yes, I have had breakfast. No, I haven't had breakfast. Do you have to go now? Yes, I have to go now. No, I don't have to go now. Do you have a headache? Yes, I have a headache. No, I don't have a headache. Do you have homework today? Yes, I have homework today. No, I don't have homework today. Do you have time now? Yes, I have time now. No, I don't have time now. Are you going to have meeting tomorrow? Yes, I am going to have a meeting tomorrow. Thank you.